Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Nate. Welcome to our channel once more. And if you have always watched this video, I'm sure you've been learning. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video even after you have watched the video. Now, today we'll be talking about web design using Mobirise application. Now, last week we started this topic and I told you a lot of things about website. I told you what we use the website for. We also look at the different website application. We also looked at the different uses of a website or the uses of a website. Now, I told you in the last class that we are going to learn how to build our own websites. So in this class, we are going to learn how to build a website together. So I'm going to train you or take you through the process on how to build a website. Now, what are the learning objectives? At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to download the Mobirise software and install this software on your computer system. At the end of this lesson also, you'll be able to use the basic features of the Mobirise application for your web design. Now, at the end of this lesson also, you should be able to add slider, add effects, add pages, contact page, about us page. You should also be able to add plugins to your website. So sit back, watch, get a laptop to practice with. I don't know if you are watching this video on a phone, but whichever means you are watching this video, you need a laptop to practice everything that I will be explaining to you in this video. So please don't forget, it's a hands-on session and you are expected to practice what you say. So first, what is Mobirise? Mobirise is a freeware website design application developed by Mobirise that allows users to create and publish bootstrap websites without coding experience. Mobirise is essentially a drag and drop website builder that features in the use of basic themes. So basically, Mobirise is a website design software that helps you to build website with already available templates. So all you need to do is to work with the template that we have already, and before you know it, you are creating your own website. So I'm going to take you through, the journey. Now, what is the first step? The first step is to download the Mobirise software to our computer system. So steps to downloading the Mobirise software to the computer or to your computer system. So the first thing is you need to launch any internet browser or search engine on your computer system and type download Mobirise software in the address bar. So let's do that together. So you want to download Mobirise software on your computer system. You locate and left click the start button, and then you can use any of your browser, either Google Chrome, either Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, but I want to use Google. So I like to use Google Chrome. So I'll just open the Google Chrome application, and then I'll just go ahead to type download Mobirise software. Download Mobirise software. So once you click enter, it's going to bring you to different pages, to this particular page rather, and then you have the opportunity to select any of the options. So I'm selecting the first option here. So it says free website builder software, create awesome website on your computer system, no code and free, publish anywhere. So you can say download for Windows. I'm using a Windows computer system, so I'm downloading to Windows. So once you click download to Windows, you can see this button here is automatically downloading. So that is how to download it. It's quite easy, very easy to download Mobirise software to your computer system. Now, when you download the Mobirise software, the next thing you need to do is to install the Mobirise software to your computer system, which I am going to do right away. So I'll click on the Mobirise software, and then it will ask me to put a password if my system has a password. My own system has a password, so I'm just going to put the password of my system, and then I'll click yes. Your own might not ask you for a password. Okay, so the next thing is to ask you this question: setup will install Mobirise in the following folder. To install a different folder, click browser now. So I just wanted to install in this folder. I'll just click install. It will take a few moments to install. just a few minutes depending on your computer capacity. So you can see that the Mobilize application has completely downloaded to our computer system. So the next thing for us to do is to launch the Mobilize software. To launch the Mobilize software, you go to your start button and then you type Mobilize. Make sure you type this, you type the correct spelling, and then once you type Mobilize, it will show you this, so I can easily launch the Mobilize software. No, this is not the right software. Mobilize. So you can see that the Mobilize software has completely downloaded. So it's asking us to log in to access your premium themes and extensions. So I am not going to use login with Google. I'm not going to use login with Facebook. I'm not going to use login with email. I'm going to just click use free version. Anybody that comes to my site, they will see we take amazing photographs for your special day, and then this gallery means when they click this gallery, it will take them to where we have our pictures. There's this book now. Customers that wants to book for a photo session, they can easily click here and get our bookings. So this reserve a date, I can also change it to book now. Can change it to book now, and then home, about us, photo, contact us, and all. So I'm not going to talk so much about these other pages. This home is the first page we can see here. The about us page, I'm going to talk about the about us page in our next lesson. The photo page is where I am going to talk about. The photo page is where I'm going to talk. You will see our pictures and all. Then contact us page, I'm also going to talk about contact us page in our next video. But before we go, I quickly want to teach you how to change your background image. I'm just going to do that, and then we will call it a day for today's class. So to do that here, now you can see the background. We have a picture of a camera, a Sony camera, but I don't like this image. I want to change it to image of my choice. I can come to this icon here that looks like the icon for settings. Once I click, it will ask me image. I'll just select image, then this is the image. Once I click on the image, I can browse my computer for better image. Once I click browse my computer, I can go to pictures. I have so many pictures that I can use. I can use picture of this particular child. Yes, so I have a picture of the child. This is picture of the child. We took this particular picture in our studio here, so I prefer to use the picture. You can see that the picture of this child has gone to our background, although it's not really well positioned, it's not really coming out well. But in our next class, I'm going to teach you how to adjust this image properly to fit in your website. But I believe that in this lesson, you have learned how to download the Mobilize software to your computer system. You have learned how to create the home page of your website by changing the name to your company's name or your website name, by adding pictures to your website and changing the information in the text area in the home page. Now, when we meet next week, I am going to teach you other things you need to know about building a website using the Mobilize application. I hope you learned something from this video. I wish to see you in our next class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.